Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this face of Motu Patlu cartoon. This is Patlu face, so I am going to model this face. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our Patlu face from Motu Patlu. So here is our Patlu face. This is very simple face. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. So this is our model. So bye guys.